be back as soon as I get dressed.
Why?
I guess I gotta pull this up, or I gotta pull this down. What's easier? Okay, hold on, y'all.
Oh, you got me some earrings. I don't even have any earrings for today. These are super nice.
Can I see?
Beautiful. Thank you, everybody, even for just being here. I appreciate y'all.
Aww.
Yeah, I just had all that.
Hear your heart. Yeah, that's just nasty. That's just nasty. That lady say they don't bathe. Somebody don't bathe. I don't know who. All right, y'all. Y'all see these bikes? This what our son want. He wants something on the order of this for Christmas this year. All right, y'all. Damage for today. $58. They got their Christmas trees up. Okay. So they been stealing it? Oh, that raw hunting stuff? Well, you know, it was cruising the coast. Maybe they needed to have a little extra stamina for cruising the coast. Who knows? Hey y'all, what's going on? Welcome back to our family home. Thank you. We need to go get this clean. I took it out because we was cleaning some chicken. And I almost forgot it. So I had to send him back to get it. Because you know what he would have said? He would have texted me, "You forgot your ring." Hey, y'all. Yo. Yeah, I got to leave without Philip knowing. Because Philip will give me a list of stuff, y'all. A list. A whole list. But Alicia made me some. No. And what is it called? She kept saying, "Mama, I'm going to make you some tea." But those of y'all that know what I'm talking about is going to know what I'm talking about without me saying it. But she did a herbal tea for me. And it's a hemp. Yeah, it's like a hemp milk. And it's all natural. It helps with any kind of pain, right? So she made me some, and I did the vanilla spice chai tea, and I poured some of the milk in the tea. So I'm sitting here sipping it, and you can smell it, and it was calming me down, and I was not aching as bad. I slept all night. I did not wake up until after 7 this morning. 9, they're doing platinum. It don't matter what you get, everything high. You can do whatever you want. Everything is high, fresh and clean. Oxy. I'm gonna get some of this. What my grandma used to get is gonna do the job. Do they got baskets in it? Yes. Here, dear heart. Yeah, that's just nasty. That's just nasty. That lady say they don't bathe. Somebody don't bathe. I don't know who. But somebody don't bathe, y'all. Yeah, that's what they say. She said somebody. She was telling me somebody don't bathe. I guess let me get some cups. How much are these cups? Oh no, we getting the styrofoam. Child. I guess, oh no, them the little ones. It's not gonna do me any good. Well, these are 100 of them. These will work. Jordan went around the other way. I already got plates. Mama say, man, I'm coming around that way. Hold on, here go a thing of Lysol. Hold on, mama. Wait a minute. Hold on. Let me get this in the back. Because I see a thing of Lysol reduced here for $4.50. You need some cups. Put that right there. You my bodyguard. You got me. See, these Lysols reduced down to $4.50. I know ain't nothing wrong with them. $4.
How you see $4?
It's reduced to $4.
Oh.
I mean, ain't nothing wrong with them, so. You think? I mean, it's Lysol. Like, Lysol can go bad.
That shit's spring.
Yeah, Lysol can't go bad. And this $3.50. I need one of these. Okay. Well, we need one for our room, one for Mama. Okay. Well, that's fine. Yeah, they been having a refrigerator section, didn't they? Yeah. Guess I get Philip a blue Mountain Dew when he get home. Okay. Huh? That's what they reduced to? What was the price before? I know. That's what I'm saying. If it reduced. I think I need one thing of milk.
Is that board?
No, that's a prayer form, but it's fine. I'm not going to Walmart because they get you. Yeah, just get one thing. And then please get me a grape and an orange. And that'll be enough. I don't think I need nothing from down here at all, so I'm not even going down that way. Huh? Yeah, orange and a grape, please, sir. That juice will last until whenever. They go to eggnog, shamrock, pumpkin spice.
Wow.
Yep. Eggnog, the Irish whiskey. And then they got the pumpkin spice one. Now, that Minute Maid is a little bit higher. They got Faygo. Let me see how much they drinks, though. See how much they drinks. I think the Faygo is... I don't know what Rocket Rye is, so I ain't gonna try that. You buy 2, you get 1 free.
Buy 3, get 12.
Hold on. Sell 3 for 10. You buy 2, you get 1 free. Oh, 3 for 10 is the bottles. Well, you do a dessert video then. He don't know what he want to do, but he want to do a video.
Them things are double.
I know. You eat one, you won't eat the whole pack. I'm trying to resist, but I want it because if I don't get them when I get home, I'm going to be like, I should have got them.
Well, you better get them $3.35.
Or I can just make me some cookies. Huh? I know. Well, I'm not finna make none right now. All right, give me a pack, I guess. Don't laugh at me. Even if the sky is falling down. I still gotta find my little one some. I'll get in some candy from the register. Do they sell cookies here? Well, they got all their pans and stuff ready for Thanksgiving. You better come and get their pans and get started. I can go to Frugal's and get me some cookie dough, huh? What's that?
Chicken egg roll.
And didn't we just buy egg roll? Oh. I about to say, don't play me. Don't play me. Yeah, I'm gonna go to Frugal's. I'm gonna go next to Frugal's and get some cookie dough. Here we go. Here we go. How much you said it was? What you call it? There you go.
11 for 2 bottles. How much are you in here?
$7.40. But you want? They don't have. Do they have the Unstoppable, or do they just got the regular one?
They got different kinds. Let me make sure. Yeah. See? They got wood jet, wood. They got different scents. And that's $11.99 for 2 bottles. And that's the same
well,
bottle.
we'll go there. Because that's $7.40 for one.
It's $14.
Yeah. Alright. Well, we can go there. Go on the other aisle, please.
You got more got another stuff?
Yeah, her lights out right there. Remember, we picked that up first. I seen it, babe. Y'all know they're not going to buy it. You remember I said that they was going to have to get the next one? Ain't going to happen. I can tell y'all now, they ain't going to get it. So I might as well just go on and get it because it's going to make me mad. What are these? The Lysol. See, they don't be having prices on these. And that's what I don't like because that means it's high. When they ain't got a price, it's high. I'm telling y'all, don't let them fool you. Oh, hold on. What's this? Is that fabric softener? Yup. How much is that? $8.15 for Suavitel? Child, look. Smell that for me. It ain't gonna stink. Just hold it and smell it. Because people be sleeping on that Suavitel. And that stuff be smelling good. These brands be made by the same companies.
Smell a little musty.
That don't smell no musty, boy. And they got the purple one too. With that spring fresh, this one is flower, the violet. He talking about that smell musty. You silly. I don't know how much that is. Let's see. That one smell better. The violet one smell better than this one, but they still smell real good. And that's for how much? $6.90. It's not bad because I need some anyway. All right, and I got that. I need some more of these. Oh, they don't have a dollar one. Let's see. I'm trying to think, will it be worth it? Because they got these here for $3.50. Huh? Well, get a... How many in a Suavitel? Yeah, that's fine. Just get one of them till I go to Sam's. Because I'm going to get the big boxes from Sam's. That'll work for now. Because it's $3.50. Let's see. And that's $4.60. And them $6.30. How many you get in here? A 9 ounce. 24 ounce. I guess I'll just pay the extra $3 for that one. Because this not going to last me no time. Yeah, I got some dry balls in the cabinet. Okay, I got fabric scents. That's for tomorrow. Mama got her Lysol. I bought some bleach the other day. Oh, I think we still got some in there. Yeah. Oh yeah, we need wipes. Because he go through wipes like ain't no tomorrow. He gonna hit me when we get in the car. He gonna be like, what you say? I gotta get me some. Oh my eye. Oh, they don't have the. They got this Dawn. 9. The Dawn Platinum. It don't matter what you get, everything high. You can do whatever you want. Everything is high. Fresh and clean Oxy. I'm going to get some of this. What my grandma used to get is going to do the job. Oh. Yep. He needs them, y'all. I'm just playing. Let me leave him alone before he be mad at me. See, they got the taller ones for $5. How much was them? Lysol, it was $5 too, huh? Think that was on sale? $4? Okay, I'm gonna keep them then. And we're going to get that from what you call it, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Because that's what I'm going to use the mop with. We don't need nothing else from over here.
Don't need no roast breaker. We ain't got roast.
Nope. Now we got to go. I think they're over here. The wipes. Yep, and pest people doing their job. I think it'll be by the toilet paper. We didn't pass it over here? Unless it's towards the front. Because it should be something. This way they toilet paper at. It might be towards the front. Alien tape. Okay then.
Who?
Alien tape.
Oh, really?
Huh.
What's thing be gone? Ow.
Relief from insect sting. Oh, that's them screen door things my mama seen that Greg and them had, and she talking about she want one. They $5, mama. Them things she talking about to put on the door, they got those, so they got the mesh ones too. Mm-hmm. And they go them bionic spotlights we was talking about. You remember that company reached out to me to review one? Mm-hmm. They $125. But they is cheaper than Dollar General's. Cause we went to Dollar General and baby Jordan about to throw all that stuff down. Relax. Yeah, he be wanting fruity scents. I like fall scents in the fall time. Y'all know me. But he be wanting spring scents. In the fall, you gotta have fall scents, baby. Let's see what this one smell like. Oh, I can't get it up, but they $6. They candles done went up $1 too. I guess everybody gotta go up, huh? Alright, y'all. Damage for today. $58. For just what y'all seen. And Jordan was like, how? How? Where? The stuff is high. It's high. No matter how you get it or where you get it from. I reckon. You gonna carry all that? Hey. Yep, it don't matter. Stuff is expensive. And prices steady going up on everything. This will be it. We gotta go down to the Frugals. Did you say somebody been taking honey? They don't what? You said they been stealing honey? Oh, that raw honey stuff? Well, you know it was cruising the coast. Maybe they needed to have a little extra stamina for cruising the coast. Who knows? Who knows, babe? All right, y'all. Y'all see these bikes? This is what our son wants. He wants something on the order of this for Christmas this year. They $7.99. That's not bad. Jordan told me he just wanted to get him a 4-wheeler. Whatever he get, that's gonna be all he get. Like literally, he gonna get this, and I'm gonna buy him some clothes for school. This will be his only gift. Not that we're being cheap, but it's a huge gift. Y'all know. That's like if you get a car. That's what you get in a car. Oh, Lord. That's a nice bench for $298. They got their Christmas trees up. Okay. We already got a Christmas tree, so I know I'm not buying another. This is what I want. Y'all remember I was saying this, what I want to get? One of these Blackstone riddles with the grill.
How much it is?
I don't know. They don't have a price.
When it gets super cold, that's the best time to buy it.
Right. So.
All that church. Gas grills or church.
Well, let me come on in here with what I'm looking for, because I've been psych my own. Here they go.
Say 815. Oh. Look at all four.
Well, I don't want those. I want between the Gain and the other Febreze one. What do this one say? Let's see.
This Gain.
Ooh. That one just a fresh scent. That's the regular scent. Well, can you see how these two smell?
How?
Well, just hold it. It should. I know this is the scent that come with them. These are scent that come with these. Because this is what I... No, it's not. This is what I have at home. I got this one at home.
And that's the one you said smell good?
Yeah. But that's the original scent. This is the one with Gain. The one with Febreze they don't have. But I want that one.
The blue one?
Huh? No, this is the first scent one that I got at the house. That's the first scent. That's the one with Gain. We know how Gain smells.
Febreze. Febreze lavender.
Yeah, but do we don't want to do the lavender or do we want to do the Gain? Because the first scent smell good too, but I don't know. So that's what I hate.
No, you pick it out because you get fruity stuff.
No, I just don't want lavender in the kitchen.
Gain.
Well, either get the Gain or the fresh scent. It's up to you. The fresh scent is $10.98. The one with Gain is $11.98. It doesn't matter. See, they got them here too for $6.98, same price. We just bought one of those out of there. These are the ones that everybody be talking about smells better than all the rest of them. But I'm gonna see how much they are at what you call it. Mm-hmm. You already know. Yeah. All right, y'all. We made it here by Talia's house. I left out the house and forgot her gift bag with all her stuff in it. But Jordan didn't bring it. I told Mama to get it because Jordan is acting like he can't. Like he just don't know. He don't understand. And he's talking about, no, I'm not coming early. I right now I'm like, man, it's like I don't even know if my wedding's gonna go on at this point. He's not acting like protect the hair.
You know, Gregory uses these now. He does.
Well, see, well, you can just give that one to Greg. Well, see, they can share. It's two in there.
Yeah. They can match. Oh, these are nice. Is this a necklace? Oh, sorry.
It's a bracelet.
Oh, I guess I can wear these.
Oh,
these are really nice.
Sorry, just in the bathroom.
Yeah, shut that door. Okay.
Oh, yeah.
I don't.
That's better.
You're tall.
Is this my birthstone?
I think it's supposed to be.
I think this is the color.
Yeah, it's supposed to be.
Thank you.
Or it's as close as I got
have
to it.
anything that are my birthstone color, so that's nice. Thank you, Mom. Or thank
You can wear a bathing suit.
You can wear whatever you want to show right now.
Okay, thank you everybody for being here. I'm gonna.
And now she said, everybody get out.